Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this amazing acrylic bathtub from SYLONWILL. It's incredible. It is super lightweight, but very sturdy. It comes beautifully packaged. It's super easy to get in the house. It's very deep and it's so comfortable. So let's take a look at some close-ups and all of the features of this amazing bathtub. Okay, here she is. The first thing I want to demonstrate is I can move this by myself. I think that is key when you are buying a bathtub. You know you can get this into your house. It comes in a giant box. Stay tuned to the end. I'm going to show you how it was packaged, which is really, really nice. This has an ergonomic design, which protects your cervical spine and lumbar spine and relaxes your entire body. Super deep immersion, heat preservation time about 50 minutes. The surface of this acrylic tub is super easy to clean and it will not turn yellow. SYLONWILL tubs are incredible. We will be installing this SYLONWILL tub in the fall, and so I hope that you check back to see my review once it is installed. Here are a few more close-ups of the tub. Really shiny, beautiful white color. And inside you have the center drain. And this also comes with the drain, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. The front of this has a place that I'm going to call is more of an armrest, and the sides are slimmer. You have the drainage hole in case you forget to turn it off right there. I love that it's nice and slim and sleek. Just such a beautiful, sleek design. Here is the drain cover for SYLONWILL, and it's really nice, high quality, and I love that it matches the tub, so that is just going to completely disappear into the tub. This is how it comes all wrapped up. It's wrapped in cellophane, and there's styrofoam on the top to protect it. We were able to get this into the house, just my husband and I. It's not very heavy, like I said, but it is very sturdy. I can't wait to put this into my bathtub. So like I said, check back in late September, early October for the full install. I am really loving it. Special thanks to SYLONWILL, and I highly recommend.